Alright. Red. Alright.
There's a bear in here.
Hey, before y'all get started doing all that stuff y'all gonna be tied up with, I need me some bile.
Okay.
Oh.
I'm just getting motion sickness.
Love you, buddy. On my heart. Love you the most. That wasn't me.
You can sit back down.
Stop.
Love you, Ace Boo.
Well.
Oh,
Oh, great.
oh, yeah, I got it twice.
Oh, the mostest.
Love you. I'll see y'all later. Bye.
I love you. I'll see you later. Bye. So good.
You know, I'm getting better at branching.
Oh, good.
Because you know, I used to be good at grounding walls. Now I'm just kind of only good at branching. I am still pretty good at walls, but my ground, it's terrible. Unless I'm on quest 2.
Jeez, 2 hours ago. Got it. Got it.
What are you doing?
I love you guys.
Love you.
And I will see y'all when I get home. I love you, Aiden. Don't you ever forget that, boy. You hear me? I love you with everything I have. I love all of y'all with everything I have.
Come on.
Hair reveal after 10 years. Oh yeah. Did you save?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready for me to cook in gorilla tag?
Yeah.
And if I don't, you owe me $20.
I don't think I have that much.
Well, you have to do it anyways, so. Wow, the VR is still. Oh my god, visual tag or rush tag?
How about visual tag?
Alright, there's gonna be a lot of cheaters though.
Yeah. Alright. Files. Okay, what? Don't bite the egg. I forgot about that. That's a video file. Oh right, I forgot to make a materials folder. Oh hello? Oh, why is this not unpacked? Huh. Whoop. Oh, materials. There we go. Oh, I kept all of it. That is not what I wanted. There we go. Now that's what I wanted. No. Okay, why are there so many materials? I guess it was this one. Yeah. There they go. No. Avalanche. No. I hate that. This one. Yeah. Alright. I'm super glad I got Pro Builder now, but I'm not gonna Pro Build that walls just yet because, well, that's gonna take a bit too much forever because of the amount of faces. Jeez, look at that. Look at that. I'm just kidding. Oh gosh. Okay. It's almost done. I told you this is gonna take forever. Literally forever. Oh my gosh. This is gonna take forever. This. By the way, I'm just doing this so that there can be maps. Dang, 3 minutes. I'm gonna have to learn how to speed things up. speed things up, 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 thing. I should have done this.
I showed you my glasses, yellow glasses. Mama showed me that. Hurry, see inside of me.
Where's the scratch?
Where's the yellow glass?
Right here?
No, inside my ear. I'm not really kidding, but don't touch it. It kind of burns your eye.
Yeah. So you're telling me to look at it if you don't want it to be touched.
You know.
Oh, finally! Yes.
Mama does.
Oof, that's a
Show you
lot
the picture
of faces. Oh my god. Well, this is gonna take forever. How did you didn't even load this in? Oh, that looks kinda good. Environment. I don't see what that does. Oh! If I wanted it to be horror, I would set it to like that. But I want it to be quite bright, but not that deep fried. I don't want it to look like it's been deep fried. Halo? Where's Halo?
This is with stick steak.
Oh. Well, that's okay.
I'm just gonna sit it right here.
Yeah, bring that in back in there. Okay, where am I? Control for multi select. Okay, I did not want that. I did not want that either. Really go. Better. You know want to make the texture smaller. Wow, that's cool. Oh, I'm gonna have to select all of that. How? Why do I gotta do that? I hate that feature. Mm. Why does this have to be so short? I'm totally up to gonna try to do something. Save. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm gonna do another one in a little bit. I don't know why that was so short. 18. Well, that's not short, that short, but still felt short. Bye bye.